Hello, we are AutoZone Used Cars located in Saberton, Morgantown, across from CVS Pharmacy. And today we're going to demonstrate a few techniques on headlight restoration on this 2002 Subaru Wagon Outback Limited Edition. Our detailing business is named Mr. Auto Clean. We've already taped off this section of the headlights for easier cleaning and restoration. We're going to give him a few seconds here so you can see the before and after. Not only will this improve the look of the headlight, it will also improve your visibility at driving at night, brighter headlights. So already you can see a dramatic difference in the ones we just cleaned and the old ones. And we just ask you please like our video, comment, and subscribe for more information. You can find us on Facebook, Mr. Auto Clean. Any other questions, just please ask. Thank you.